Okay, so today what we have for you is a cabbage coleslaw. I use this to put in for my pork tacos, you know, like carnitas, fish tacos, shrimp taco. But these are the ingredients. So we have cabbage here, we have Chile Serrano, we have 2 lemons, we have an onion, and we have purple cabbage. We also have some mayonnaise, some salt, pepper, and some oregano. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix this. We're going to combine it all together. Okay. This is good also on barbecue chicken sliders, pork sliders. So we're going to mix that up. So some people use vinegar, the white vinegar, but I don't use vinegar since I use the lemon, or sorry, the lime. So we're going to go ahead and squeeze both the lemons. Well, we'll see how one looks and then we'll mix it, okay? And the only reason why I mix it in here now is so when I put the vegetables, the cabbage and stuff in it, it's already mixed. So we're going to need to go ahead and use the rest of the lemon. So here we go. The lime, sorry, I'm so used to saying lemon, even though it's the yellow ones, right? Okay, so we're gonna finish adding both limes. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and mix. Yes, so that's what you actually want. Kind of like a watery one. And for the mayonnaise, it's only 2 spoons, so you really can hardly taste it. Salt and pepper, same thing. It's a spoon of each, maybe a spoon and a half. You go as the way you taste it, okay? The way you're going to like it. Okay, so what we're going to do now is chop up some onion, and they're going to be thin slice. And you want to leave them long but thin. Okay. Honey's home. Okay, so that's the onion. I'm going to go ahead and add it into here now. And then we're going to go ahead and chop up the chilies. Now the Chile Serranos, you can use as many as you need. And you just want to thinly slice them as well. Try to cut them as thin as you can.
You thought well. Thank you for saving me.
Sorry, my kids are over there watching TV, so I'm gonna hear a little noise. Okay, so far that's only been 2. I'm gonna slice it and 2/3 here. I might leave it at that, 2, 3. Then we're gonna go ahead and add it back. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and do the purple cabbage, and you're going to want to thinly slice him as well. And that was like only 1/4 of a whole purple cabbage. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and cut it in half. Okay, then we're going to add it to the mixture. Then we're going to go ahead and grab the green cabbage, and we're going to do the same with it. So let's go ahead and cut it same way, then slice. And then we're going to do the same, cut it in half, add it to the mixture. And we're going to continue with the other piece. So because this one's smaller, I'm not going to cut it in the half section. Okay, we're just going to leave it as is. Okay, and then we're going to add the rest to the mixture. So now we are just going to mix, okay? So the purple cabbage is going to make it actually turn purple, so, you know, since it's a dye. And then as you mix, we're gonna see if the mayonnaise and the lemon was the right amount of ratio to what we just put in here. Otherwise, we might need to add some more mayonnaise.
Stay where you're at. Mom, I dropped the lamp. Watch. Help me change this. Move it!
I think we're actually pretty good. I don't like it to be too wet. I like it to be a little, just the way it is now, the consistency of what it is. Now, I'm just going to grab one real quick to try. Oh yeah, you can get the hint of the oregano right away once you taste it. Okay, so we're good actually with all the ingredients that we added. Okay. So that's the end of it. If you guys like what you see, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And subscribe. And I'll show you the finished plate of what we have with this meal.